Today I'm going to open up this Westinghouse WPX3400 pressure washer, 3400 PSI. That's what it looks like, so stick around everybody. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. Alright, unboxing here. Let's see what we got. We got a nice little label. Instructions that come on top. Very nice. Please read your manual. Excellent. Let's see what this looks like. Okay. Alright, there it is. Oh, okay. So that's what it looks like as soon as you unbox it. Let's get comes with this box. Put that aside for now. I'm going to take a look inside. Let's see what it looks like. Wow, this is really kinked. Really kinked. Wow, look how bad this thing is kinked. Okay, just taking a quick look, see if there's any damage. Looks nice and brand new. Really beautiful. Alright, let's pull it out of the box. Alright, here it is out of the box. I just kind of rolled it out. It doesn't come with the rubber foot here, so try to put it on something or scratch it up. Let's take a quick look at it. It's about to sprinkle, it's about to rain here real quick, so just want to take a look at it. Plastic, but looks like they'll kind of hang up, or they'll hold up, kind of, maybe. There's that kink again. Really badly kinked. Okay. It's alright, I'm not gonna probably use that. Oil right here. Let me check the gas. There shouldn't be any gas. No gas. There's a little filter. And nope, dry as a bone. Good. Okay. Just making sure. Oh, everything looks pretty good so far. I think all I have to do is just add some oil. It did come with a box. So the box is right here. I'll open this up next. Alright, I got the box open. Let's take a look at the box. That's what's in the box right here. Let's see here, what is this? Some plastic pieces, but there's the handle, the wand, the hose. So you got the hose, the wand, the handle. There's a handle to put over here on the brackets right here. So let's see what's in the box here. All right, so here it is. Looks like something to hold your hose. Piece, something to hold your hose. That looks like that part right about here. Okay. And what is this? Or your wand. It looks like that. Yeah. Okay. This is to hold your handle. This is to hold the wand, which kind of looks like maybe this piece, or maybe this is for the hose. I gotta find out which one's which. Okay, and okay, here's your tips. Here's your tips right here. We'll take a look at those a little bit later. Okay, looks like a little handle. I should probably have one for the left and one for the right, or you would think. I don't know if I'm missing anything else here. I hope I'm not missing anything else. That's all I got. And then I got the oil, which is, okay, here it is. There's the oil. It says 4-cycle 10W30 with a little nozzle. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to put this on top of here, but I'll I guess you don't need any nuts. I guess this is what it is, just comes right on, snaps in place. Hopefully they'll keep it on there. Okay, that was really easy to do. Real easy to do. Yeah, you can see it just snaps right into place. Okay, I think I know what this is. This has got to be the feet or the stand for the front, so I don't have to use a cardboard box anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on right now. Alright, got the first tool that I need. Put the nut on here to put the foot on. So that's done. Alright, so this is what's going to hold the wand, and it goes back right here like that. And you got to remove this that goes on the top, and this is just the push rivet, just for something on the bottom, I guess. Okay, got it on. It's a little hard to get your wrench into here, but yeah, I made it work. This is just to cover a hole for the most part. Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and just put the nozzles onto where they should be. That's an easy one. Alright, done. They look about right where they should be going. Alright, I just got to attach the wand. I already took it out of the bag. That's what the wand, or the handle and the wand looks like. They look something like this. Guess I gotta just take this off and just attach it right on. Can't be that hard, right? Can it? Can it be that hard? Okay. Oh, let me come back. Alright, so this acts like a nut, so you gotta put it in and turn this, and that should tighten it up really good. There we go. There we go. If you want, you can take a wrench and come right here and get that tightened up a little bit more, but I think by hand that's pretty good. And there's already some grease on here as well. Alright, probably the last piece I have to do, other than put the hose together, is put this on right about here with this. That should be real easy. All I have to do is attach the hose to the handle, and other than that, put some oil in it, which is I still have right here, and I think that's it. It should take no more than 20 minutes. Also, these are the tools I used. It does not come with any tools, so I used this here. It doesn't come with any hex wrench or hex bolts or whatever it is, hex screws or wrenches. Just 2 wrenches so far. I don't know if you can see that, but there's some, let me try to zoom in a little, see if I can zoom in, but there's a little bit of, there we go, there's this piece right here that's in the way, and it's all greased up, so I tried to pull it with my hand, but it's really tight and it's really greasy. You can see the grease on it. So I'm going to try to see if I can just, I don't want to mess up the thread. I'm just trying to see if I can break it loose a little bit. There you go. Try to see if I can break it loose. Maybe I have to unscrew it out. It's really greased up in there. So I'm going to try to unscrew it out. Let's see if that works. Yeah, I got it. Finally got it out. That's what it looks like. Just try to unscrew it, but it's really greasy. I also noticed this, and this is where the hose goes. I think that's a filter, so I don't think I should take that out. It's all done. It's connected. Got the hose running. Got it all connected. All I have to do is now just let's put some oil in it, some gas, test it out, see if it works. I got oil in it. I did pull the handle to get it turning so the oil can move around. Next one I'm going to do is just put gas in here and finally going to test it out. All right, I got the gas in, I got the oil in, I've got the hose hooked up, both the hose. I've already tested, make sure it comes out. Yes, water's flowing. Okay, now we're gonna try it. I am gonna put the white tip on, which is 40 degrees. And so just gonna put that in. All right, I got the fuel on, the little yellow lever pulled all the way to the right. The choke is on. Let's go try it out. It would help to have the engine turned on as well. All right, out of the box, works as it should. Please like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. And if this was really helpful, super thanks, I really appreciate it. See you in the next video.